Wow. 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 Wow.
Welcome to the Velvet Room.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
Wow,
wow.
dude.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
Wow.
Wow. Wow. Snort.
It's possible. So that.
Snort.
Yeah,
Wow.
basically
Wow.
I went onto another streamer's stream with a real life bazooka, and I put it in their face. I threatened them with a bazooka. Live
This is
on
why I
stream.
hate you.
So now I've been.
Come
banned.
on.
This is
Why
in my
everybody
stream,
hates
anyone-
him.
You know what I mean?
You know what I mean?
Ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous stuff.
Know what I mean?
And what's going on? Well, you know, it's cool because you get things back for it. You earn cool interactions with me. It gives you control over my
What
content.
was that?
It's really nice, okay? So go check it out over at patreon.com/darkside.
Hold on.
Warning, if you want to get in for this month.
Yeah, I have a little intercom down here talking to my grandma. That's what it was. That's the sound that it makes.
/DSP Gaming, my online merchandise store where you can
I
get
thought you were playing Atari.
and Dark Side film branded.
Wow.
Think right now,
Wow.
we consider Naughty Dog the most consistent game developer, meaning that pretty much every game that they release is a great game. I mean,
You're
I guess, but then
excused.
again, the only games that I know from Naughty Dog are
Excuse
Crash
me.
Bandicoot. There you go. Oops.
There you go.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh, I have audio.
He has an
I can't
invite
believe
to
it.
community DSP
I actually
sucks.
have audio.
What's he doing? You suck so much.
Wow.
The targeting doesn't work. I'm dead. Yeah, I died because the targeting system.
Wow.
He got past me.
That tweet. The guy who, the Twitch like
Good, Jim, I lost my
staff
shade.
that was staying
Like,
in his
people dying
chat
all around
room
him. Good, Jim, I lost my shade.
said everything Phil said was false.
The worst possible thing that could happen in Los Santos. I lost my
Yeah, but
sunglasses.
he would make sense for him to call like us idiots because that's not professional.
Yeah.
Trying to get.
Wow. 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 Wow.
That's
Wow.
right again. What
Wow.
the fuck?
Real talk. Is trucking fun to include in highlights? Yeah. I mean, look, we even have bootleg PewDiePie.
Wow. 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 Snort. Wow. 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 Snort.
The bottom line is. The
Either.
bottom line is.
Shut it
it's
up
fun
with the
and
bomb
it's
line. Snort. Wow. Snort. Wow.
Now.
Wow.
Wow.
Sound good? All right.
Sound good? Okay. Snort.
So,
Wow.
here.
Wow.
Everyone big. Sound good?
Sound good? Wow.
Snort.
Streams
Wow.
have it.
Wow.
It's that
Wow.
thing. I actually get up at a normal human hour. You know, between
Normal human hour. What
Get
was
up, wash, have
the
breakfast,
not
you know, I have
human
time
hour
to actually
then?
get ready for the stream. And then I have a
Human.
nice normal morning stream here into the afternoon.
Are you
then
a
I have
fucking
dinner, and then
robot?
I'm back for a little nighttime stream.
What are the robot
Guess
hours
what?
for you?
I'm able to. So thank you very much. You cheered again, in fact. And he says, people are disappointed it hasn't happened
fuck?
again. Your accident. In a weird way, you paved the way for titty streamers. Oh, get out of here. How dare you?
Get out of
I
here.
hate to tell you this, DSP is really
Damn.
cool.
Damn, what was
But
this?
The
I
practice
can't
of
move.
showing off their bodies on camera and
Wow.
very
I can't move. What
This
the
is going
fuck?
on for a long time, so don't probably not.
Susan,
many.
how the
And
fuck
you
do
know
I
what?
get
Honestly,
out of
that's a
here?
good thing. He says,
How do I
"I'm
get
absolutely
out?
disappointed in your content. You haven't masturbated.
I did this by accident.
Once since I started.
Wow.
Shout out, but right now it's Silver Bullet. All right.
Sure.
What is your most embarrassing moment next to the accident?
The
That would be
accident.
it. I mean, no lie. People used to ask me back in the day. What was your most embarrassing moment? I'd be like, I don't really have one. Like,
What?
I don't really get embarrassed because the bottom line is we're all human and we're all fallible and
What
we
a
all make mistakes.
fucking
We all have shortcomings.
Pompous ass.
Do I have embarrassing moments outside of the accident? Not really. No, I
Not
don't look
really.
back on stuff I did. There are certain mannerisms that I say all the time. Is one of them. Real talk, I say
DSP-isms.
sometimes, all the time. Bottom line, I say a lot. The bottom
Yeah,
line
we know.
is, I'm sure you guys
DSP-isms.
know, those of you who are here, some asshole just said snort. No, first of all, not snort.
Snort.
It's called sinus issue, a medical condition I have that cannot be cured. So if you
It
don't
can
like
be cured. You're just too
delete.
fucking ignorant to do
Bottom
it.
line is you can't get rid of. I've always
Yes,
done
you
this
can
in all
get
of my
rid of
videos
it,
for 10
dude.
years. And again, back in the day, no one made fun of me for it. It was
He's
only
not a
people
doctor.
decided to- Now,
Alright guys, how about I
the
just
average
stop right
person
here and just fap on stream real
Still
quick?
kind of doesn't care. Maybe they'll have initial
I'm
embarrassment.
not.
Need
More
to have
of a
people
bit
come and watch
fapper,
my stream,
honestly.
watch my videos. That's how I make my living.
Oh, that's too
so
much
I have to live
information.
this down.
Wow.
Number
Wow.
three, gun-
Wow. 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 Wow.
Wow.
Wow, dude. Wow.
So-
Wow. Wow.
I only
Wow.
smoke-
Wow.
I-
Wow. 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 Wow.
2006, and then he did it.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
Auto-
Wow. 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 Wow.
Excuse me.
Burp. Whoa, he actually said excuse me after a burp. That's a
Callie
new
says,
one.
I did research and you do indeed need to kill all the plague hearts. That's
The
what you're
fucking
supposed to
cat
do.
scolded him for burping without saying excuse me.
Well, I'm doing everything I can and it just doesn't
That's a
do it.
funny
The game
thought.
sucks.
Wow. 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 Wow.
Oh, I feel unwelcome in your chat. Well, dude, you came in and tried to get me to say a racial slur. What do you expect? People are not
I
gonna
feel
be
unwelcome
that.
here. Yeah, that
gotta live
usually
with
happens when you're
Yeah,
in
but I
the
didn't ban
chat.
you because I could have.
I could have.
Well, this sucks.
Yeah, it sucks for him. Because now they're witch hunting that poor guy for trying to do a stupid racial slur. Like, come on, dude. It's fucking internet. Who cares? Hi, asshole. Fuck.
It shows a
Wow. Wow. Wow.
How was that
Wow.
followers with-
Wow.
Oh.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
Last of us will go, isn't it?
Oops. Wait, what?
no.
I didn't crash.
Wow.
Wow.
Wow. Wow, dude. Here's
A
Cat.
level 8 backpack.
I found her. Cat and her family right there. Wow.
Nothing here.
Nothing.
Like, at all.
Infinite. Yeah, this game's pretty. Yeah.
This
There we
is-
go.
How do you tell about that turn? That's a
Brian, I
very
am very lucky to have cash.
natural turn. Definitely did not switch lanes immediately.
But
After finding out I was going the wrong
most
way.
of the
Nope.
stuff that she.
Wow.
Wow.
I hope nothing heard that.
I don't think I've done a heavy haul before. Oh, hi. Asshole.
Friend yourself from zombies attracted by the name.
Wow.
Okay.
Yeah, let's just crash into me, huh? One after another.
Wow.
Wow.
No, there's like
For
those
some reason I thought it was the one to the
girlfriend.
far right. No, this is not the right angle.
He doesn't care about anything.
Oh my
Damn.
god. What? Why?
Fuel the car. See, I'm full
Fuck
$2
this.
million. You like Monday Night
Fuck
Raw?
this shitty game.
Meh. It was okay. I don't remember anything particularly too notable from it.
Fuck that
Frankly.
game. I'm done. No more trucks for today.
That was really good.
Wow.
Fuck 'em.
Wow. 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 Wow.
The next
Wow.
community.
Wow.
Wow. Wow. Wow. Wow. Wow. Wow. Wow. Wow. Wow. Wow. Wow.
I leave it to the other goddamn.
Wow. Wow.
Took the
Wow.
next shit's
Wow.
exactly-
Wow.
I'm gonna-
Wow. Wow. Wow.
Fuck this fucking map. I hate this fucking map in this game.
Where are the beds?
Fuck you, Jeff the hero. I mean, Jeff the
Hello
fucking
there.
Kaplan.
They don't have. So you know what? Push it away.
Impossible. Look at that.
Yeah.
Fuck this fucking game. No wonder I stopped playing this shit. Fuck this laggy fuck.
Establish a meds outpost site. Where I'm headed next. Most of it's cheerful for some reason. I don't think my.
So it's like,
my
fuck Jeff Kaplan and
was
his
ever
fucking
cheerful in the first
unbalanced
run.
fucking game. I'm gonna swear as much as I want. Screw him. Oh. Okay. This is not a good idea.
She didn't get much attention in my first run.
Actually, on second thought,
That
fuck this
much.
game. Fuck this game. Fuck Overwatch.
No place around here.
That's steamy garbage
Good luck.
on a hot summer day. That's Overwatch for you. I don't give a shit if it's a rage quit. That game's shit.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
The
Wow.
King 2.
Wow. 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 Wow.
Oh shit, someone saw me.
Wow. Wow.
So that's another highlight. Very spicy work. I love every video he makes.
What's wrong with you?
Wow. 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 Snort.
Flash Fairy.
Wow.
So
Wow.
this first 10 years
10
being
years.
a content creator and a gamer on the internet,
That's lag though.
I have shared a game.
Wow. Snort. Wow.
It's
Snort.
gonna be
Snort.
10 freaking
Whoa,
years.
$4.
You know, starting all the way back
Wow.
to 2008.
€4. Sorry. Wow. 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 Wow.
So, and the data basically favored of it.
Wow.
It's like, let's tell them on, not one to say versus just watching what's popular. I'm just saying, a lot of the time, what's popular isn't necessarily good. It's just popular for popularity's sake. Talk about your attempt to take a jab at me for how dumb I was on Twitter last week. Actually proved my point why I should never do a live reaction
fuck
video.
this game.
You did it. Congratulations, you did it.
Wow.
For a long time, you find out.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
That was gonna happen.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
Man, get over here. You can only cross when it's green, it says.
No shit. I bet what happens when the light's red. Oh man. Wow.
This hardy collection of hentai you just digitally sent me is more than enough payment. Thank you, sir.
Oh my.
Alright, get out of here.
That's it. That you know what? That's it.
Android porn, when they insert the pounding piston
I'm
into
so
the ball
done.
bearing.
With this restream.
Switch the
I've
switch
had
the camera angle, see that? No one smashed your fucking guitar yet? You're lucky.
Sorry, I have to leave because I was thinking of my life choices right now. Wow. Wow. I am so done with this fucking
What happened? I didn't
restream.
change the channel.
I am so done with this restream. It's not even funny anymore.
Tidy
Zombie
up.
Smasher is offering to take the wheel for me. I mean, if you can handle it,
Tidy that bed up.
because I clearly
You don't have to
can.
discuss.
Shout to Wes, the coolest buff guy I know. And I don't know many buff guys. Wow. 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 Let's go play calculator then. Alright, 2 plus 2 is... Wow. Wow! Yeah, I can make a widescreen too like that. Wow. So you can do like 3 times 3 equals 9. Wow! Quality math. Alright. The quality isn't that bad either. Now, stop it! You fuck. No alerts during game. I have that set. Wow. 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 Wow.
When you really compare all the competitive players in America, whoever played Super Turbo, I'm probably top 25.
Top 25?
I have no idea. Because
If that's the case, why were you top 25 in Street Fighter 5, you fucking
at one
idiot?
point, I would say I was
You
definitely top
fucking
10,
dumb.
top 5.
Oh my god.
But now I have no idea.
That's the dumbest thing I've
I don't
heard
know
all
who's playing,
day.
and
Start.
I'm going to
Wow.
explain.
Wow.
You
This
guys
is my
determine,
face.
all right, well, this is great, but
There's
let's
a
see something else. Then I'll
fucking
probably
free
switch over to
stream.
Third Strike.
That
because
face
that was the
right
game
there.
that came in. How things go in Third Strike as well.
Every
So,
fucking
again,
time I see that
starting with
face.
Super Turbo,
Oh my god, what is that face?
and I certainly hope you guys are ready. All right. Fair enough. Now, one thing to definitely bring up, guys, we hit the subscriber goal for this month.
What are these faces
subscriber goal was
he's doing?
400.
Wow, wow, wow,
I'm in
wow,
way.
wow,
Lance, what
wow,
is he playing?
wow,
I'm-
wow,
Twitch
wow.
Hilarious.
Thank you for the
reason
tough
I say that
report, even though I have
Because
it.
if you actually know the story
Set
of
to
these
no
Battle Royale
alerts.
games,
Wow,
Capcom did. Broke through in
wow,
this video.
wow, wow,
Everything else here is
wow,
Hi,
wow,
I'm
wow.
just
A fucking guile voice.
Sonic Boom! Sonic Boom!
Sonic Boom.
Sonic Boom! Sonic Boom! Sonic Boom!
chat
Wow,
mod.
wow, wow, wow,
back, okay.
wow, wow,
I think I had-
wow, wow,
I wonder what
wow,
this
wow, wow, wow.
Whoa. Oh,
Obvious error.
all right. We're facing
Music to
someone
my
who's Balrog.
ears.
I'm gonna.
Wow, wow, wow.
Sonic Boom! Sonic Boom!
Wow,
Sonic Boom!
wow,
Wow.
wow.
Phil, you stream on both Twitch and YouTube now? No, I am watching on. I am only streaming on Twitch. If you're watching on YouTube, you're watching someone who's probably illegally streaming me.
Illegal.
But probably, it's you just trolling. So there.
Illegal. Illegal restream. Wow. Boom. Wow, wow,
what's going on.
wow, wow, wow,
I
wow,
can do anything. Nice.
wow, wow,
We're
wow,
Street Fighter.
wow, 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 wow,
So I have to think that people.
wow, wow, wow,
Yeah.
wow, wow,
But
wow,
the tricky-
wow,
play this guy. Very
wow,
nice.
wow,
I can't.
wow, wow, wow,
can-
wow, 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 wow,
Go,
wow,
Ian.
wow, wow,
Guys know this.
wow, wow, wow,
I-
wow, 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 wow,
I
wow,
parried.
wow, 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 wow,
gotta be-
wow, wow,
Half the
wow,
buttons I'm-
wow,
No super.
wow, 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 wow,
Terrible.
wow, wow, wow,
That's
whoa, wow,
And yes-
wow, wow. Wow! A network error. Uh-oh. What's going on here? Network error. What's this, Phil?
There's a weird network error. I'm done with the stream anyway.
Wow.
Apparently there's-
Wow. Wow.
Yeah, I'm fucking with you. Who cares?
Wow. 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 Oh! Wow. Fucking furry? Wow. Oh, I did it again because of that fucking flame thing.
I can't play regular Castlevania for the life of me.
Wow. 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 Wow.
Oh, I can attack upwards.
Wow.
Ow. So how do I attack diagonally? Oh no, it was the sub-weapon. I'm a fucking idiot. Wow. Heat-seeking... Heat-seeking... Fucking... Fireballs.
Wow. Anime.
Never mind. Don't forget, Zangetsu is a fucking weeb. So, he flops over like a fucking floppy dick when he tries to act cool.
Ben anyway who's better video games than I am. Wow.
Wow, wow, wow.
Wow, this puzzle's easy.
Oh! Oh!
You cut.
Cause they had enough life to withstand that blast.
Wow. Wow.
Oh, that's what I get. Wow.
Wow. Wow.
Wow.
If you would like to go above and beyond,
I hate
maybe
this
you'd like
boss.
to do something, a little bit more.
Fuck.
Wow. Wow.
Just what you're
Wow.
just
Wow.
Cool, you can do that. What you need to do is
Yes.
50 bits or more. It helps me out. Why? Because I can do it right away. And Phil mentioned chipping, cheering, subbing, tipping,
Chipping.
teespring. What should I do? What's the best
I do
option?
chipping.
Right now, site, and therefore,
Oh my
type
God.
exclamation point tip into the stream chat. We'll bring up the link, which will
Sorry,
have the
I had to
same
yell.
exact $10,000 into your.
What are we doing? Oh!
But of course.
I'm
Well,
so
let me
bad at this
That would be
game.
insane. That would be the most that
Fuck.
anyone ever contributed. Please
Wow,
subscribe.
wow.
It says holy water doesn't work.
Oh,
Maybe it's all like
he's someone's
all tail,
assholes.
like the spoony one. I should say the real spoony one. It's your 26 bits with a nice Franker Z emote. He says, "Hey Phil, it's hard to believe I've been watching your content since I was 14 in 2009 when you played
Standing ovation
Fighter 4.
for that
I
death.
remember that.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
I was
Wow.
worst experience.
Oh god.
So there you go. Shout out. Wow. Not wow. Thank you. I did not
Wow.
know
Wow. Wow.
And that's how I got my Switch, and that's how I play all these games on the Switch. You know.
Okay, I think I'm done
So-
for now.
Wow.
Criticism
Wow.
and you know what I mean.
Know what I mean?
Wow.
You know.
Wow. 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 Wow.
There you go.
Wow. 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 Wow.
The bomb part of DSP stream is cough. Hey, can I show you something? That's part of the stream.
Screws and grease.
He seriously made a stream like that. I'm not even joking. You want even more proof? Give me a second.
Found those screws.
See?
You need lots of those.
See this? That's him.
Damn it.
Wow. 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 Whoa. Wow. Whoa. 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 Whoa.
Wow.
Wow.
As you can probably see, he has Vampire on like the first 2 streams. He's gonna do it 3 days in a row. I mean, now that he knows the game is shit, now he's not doing the second stream. Wow. Amazing.
Wow.
4 days of this shit. Good fucking luck. I'm not even watching that garbage.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
Wow. Wow.
Wow. Wow.
Wow.
Wow.
Snort.
Wow. 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 Whoa. Wow. Wow. Wow.
According to Mayo Clinic, during an acute attack, anti-inflammatory medications and SAIDs can help to relieve pain and shorten the length of the attack. Patients with chronic gout can use behavioral modifications such as diet, exercise, and decreased intake of alcohol to help minimize the frequency of
enigmatic
attacks.
formula.
Wow.
Patients with chronic gout are often put on medications such as colchicine.
Snort.
Wow. Wow.
Are
Hey,
you
Google.
sure you want to leave this
Opening
hospital?
webpage.
Oh, thank you.
Sure. Opening CF
No,
technology.
now stop it. What the fuck?
I want more.
You
I want
fucker.
to change.
What the fuck was that?
Be
God
proud
damn it,
of
Cortana, you
Proud of
bitch.
achieved. This hospital represents hope for millions in need of help.
I've never had that happen before.
But
Wow, spicy
I feel like we
stream
just set up the
today.
waiting room.
Alright,
Fuck you, Cortana.
Here we go. Even more.
Cortana's a detractor. Wow. Hey Google, how much sugar do
There
I
is
put
no
in
cause of
sauce?
injury.
Why do you feel responsible for the injury?
Here are the top search results.
A bit of sugar.
Me up.
A bit of sugar. You
Come on. Just one thing.
I'm sorry for yelling,
By the Germans.
but it's a bit of sugar you're supposed to put inside sauce. A bit of sugar. It's like a little teeny weeny.
Of my life.
It's like sprinkles of sugar.
You
Hey
must
Google,
stop this nonsense now.
how do I get better at video games? How to become a master gamer?
Tell me, why do you feel so attached?
That's an amazing. Thank you, Google. Thank you. How to become a master gamer?
I think we have a bond of some sort. We've both suffered so much. He's the only mortal I...
Master gamer. That's such fucking horse shit. Hey Google,
Got 100 shillings.
who are the best fighting game players?
Here's a summary
I'll
from
let you
Red
get
Bull.
some rest.
Let's take a look at the top 7 fighting game players throughout history.
Alright, burn after reading
Jason,
complete.
Mewtwo King, Zimmerman, Daigo Umehara, Justin Wong, and more.
I don't see a dark side Phil on this list.
Crackle, because I have so many.
I don't see a dark side Phil on this list, guys. I like how searching on Google is more fun than watching his shit stream. How is this even working?
Yeah, the harder they fall.
Oh man. Hey Google,
Here.
who's the best Super Turbo player? Mondo, Justin Wong, Scott, Rating Storm X.
This way.
It seems like there's
where the hell
one
they are?
person
Way over
missing. I wonder who's missing. How do I beg for money on the internet?
Here are some results from the web.
What the
But
fuck?
the door doesn't open.
There's a cyber begging site called
I can't
Big's
remember
List.
either.
I've never heard of this
How
site
do I do
before, but
this?
apparently it exists. A cyber begging and online panhandling site that offers a way
This way, maybe?
Just need money for a phone. What? This is a thing? Are you serious?
No, this is also.
No, I'm serious. It's a real site. Wow.
I don't know.
I guess you learn something every day, huh?
Odd.
Wow. 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 Whoa. Whoa. Wow. See ya.